I use this kind of no-name palette. It's called Illuminati XISA. And it's by Illuminati Cosmetics, and I just love the pastels in this palette I got on a BoxyCharm, and it's just a really fun palette to play with. I know it's not a popular one, but I just thought, you know, this is the perfect palette to create a bunch of really good spring looks with. And so this palette is what inspired this look. I used 2 eyeliners. I kind of messed around to get the blue wing, and yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I want to apply an e.l.f. strip, Morphe M514 blending brush. That shade, it is the, I'm going to take that transition shade, it's a perfect crease shade, and I'm going to blend this into my crease, adding definition. I love these shades. This is the perfect everyday palette. I love traveling with this because I can create so many looks, and I don't really hear many people talking about this, but like look how easy that blended out. It's a really good eyeshadow palette. It is on the expensive side for a neutral palette. Now I'm going to take my Natasha Denona pencil, and this is in the shade E02. It is a baby blue pencil. And I'm going to line this along. That was a little bit more difficult. It goes way smoother on my hand, but it is what it is. And this Illuminati palette, I am going to take that baby blue shimmer shade, taking a pencil brush. This is a Morphe JH39. I'm going to go in with that pastel blue, and I'm going to tap that into the eyeliner. Purpley milk eyeliner. This is called Purpley and it's glittery. I'm gonna line this along the eyeliner. Ooh, yes. That is turning out way better than what I thought was gonna happen. Back in, I'm gonna go back in with this blue shimmer and then pack that on top. Or not blue shimmer, it's just like a blue. Like that. Then I'm gonna take my finger and go in with this Purple Dream beautiful shade. It's literally the most stunning glitter I've ever seen. And I'm just gonna pack that all on the lid. I like how this is like very minimal effort, but it looks super stunning and pretty and simple because it's not like over the top. Just like that. And I'm gonna try and put this milk eyeliner into my bottom waterline. So far, it looks really pretty. Like, that is stunning. I'm gonna try and pack on this purple glitter. Oh yes, that's a really pretty lavendery. Same brush, I'm just gonna take Moonstone Highlight by Becca, and I'm gonna apply that to my inner corner. Then going to apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And apply some Ardel Demi Wispie lashes. And so that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.